Welcome to Mysa Academy. I am Mysa Suresh. This is my brief introduction regarding my residence, qualification, experience. Today we will discuss Vedic mathematics of part 2. Before watching this video, please watch Vedic mathematics of part 1 and do subscribe, share. Before entering into this video, first, why should we learn Vedic mathematics? If you check any competitive exam from VRA to Civil Services UPSC, CSAT, in which quantitative aptitude or numerical ability is a part of it, then obviously each and every question is based on the time, and we have to do every question within the stipulated time. So it is very difficult for us to calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in a conventional method within the stipulated time. So we will use Vedic mathematics or shortcut methods to handle all mathematical calculations. So now we will discuss some of the tricks or shortcut methods which are present in Vedic mathematics. Among those, first one, multiplication of a number by equal number of 9. For example, if you take 126 is multiplied with 999. Make sure that these two numbers should have equal number of digits. So 126, subtract 1 from it, this will become 125. Then each digit you have to subtract from 9, from left to right. So 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 5, 4. If the number is provided in decimal form, for example, if 6.25 is multiplied with 99.9, make sure that the digit should be equal. So first multiply 625 into 999. This will become 624. Subtract 1 from it. Then 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. How many decimal places are there? Here 2 decimal places. Here 1 decimal places. Total 3. So 624.375 is the answer. If we take another example, 1345 is multiplied with 999.9. So this will become 1344, and each digit you have to subtract from 9. So 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 4, 5. So how many decimal places are there? 1 decimal place. So this is the answer. If we take another example, 62.45 is multiplied with 9.999. So 9.999. So this will become 6244. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. So how many decimal places are there? Here 2, here 3. Then total 5. So from right hand side to left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer. Next one, multiplication of a number by greater number of 9. For example, if you take 12 is multiplied with 999, greater number of 9 means whatever the given number, if the given number is 2 digits, then you have to take the number having 9 should be greater than 2 digits. Means 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, etc. So here how many digits are there? 3 digits. Make it as 3 digits. So keep 0 before 12 at left hand side, then multiplied with 999. This will become 11. Subtract 1 from it. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. This is the answer. If we go with another example, 127 is multiplied with 9999. This will become 126. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. If we go with another example, 412 is multiplied with 99,999. So here 5 digits are there, here only 2 digits. So keep 2 zeros, so this will become 412. Then it will become 411, subtract 1 from it. Then 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. Now, another example, multiplication of a number by lesser number of 9. For example, if you take 345 is multiplied with 99. Here, given number have 3 digits and the number having 9 have 2 digits. So, divide the given number in such a way that the right hand part should have 2 digits. Means the 2 digits is equivalent to the number having 9s. So add 1 to left hand side number, that is 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is to 45. Same you have to write. Then as 99 is nearest to 100, we have to take 10 to the power of 1, 10 square, 10 cube. So it is near to 100. So 100 minus 45 you have to take. So that is 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. Then 5 minus 4, 1, 4, 3. This is the answer. Number 2. If 1342 is multiplied with 999, here 4 digits are there, here 3 digits are there. So 1 is to 342. Divide a number in such a way that the right hand part should have 3 digits. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is to 342. Subtract 342 from 1000 because 999 is near to 1000. So 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. Then 0, 4, 3, 1. Means 1342 minus 2 you have to do. Next, if we go with third example, 46 is multiplied with 9. So 4 is to 6. 4 plus 1, 5 is to 6. 10 minus 6, 4. 6 minus 5, 1, 4, 1. This is the answer. Next, multiplication of any number by 111. In the previous video, that is Vedic Mathematics of part 1, in which we have already discussed multiplication of number by 111. That is, for example, if it is 1234 is multiplied by 11, then keep 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. Then this is the answer. If it is 111, for example, same example we will take 1234 is multiplied with 111. Keep 4 at the right, then 4 plus 3, 7. Next 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9. Means you have to go with 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 combination. Next 3 completed, leave 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 3 digits completed, next 2 digits. 2 plus 1, 3. Next. This is the answer. If you go with another example, 6784 is multiplied with 111. Keep 4. 4 plus 8, 12. Keep 1. Carry forward. 12 plus 7, 19 plus 1, 20. 2 carry forward. Leave 4. Then 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 4. Sorry, 60. 15 plus 6, that is 21 plus 2, 23. Keep 2. Next 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 6 plus 1. So this is the answer. If you go with another example, 624 is multiplied with 111. So keep 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 6 plus 6, 12. 1 carry forward. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 1, 9. Next 6. Next, multiplication of any number by 1111. This is also exactly similar to 11 and 111. As it is 4 digits are present, then the combination will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, then 3, 2, 1. This is the combination we will implement here. For example, 1234 is multiplied with 1111. Keep 4 here. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Keep 1 here. 1 carry forward. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. Number 2 example. If it is 2563 is multiplied with 1111. Keep 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Keep 1. 14 plus 2, 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry forward. Next, leave 3. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 1 carry forward. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Next 2. If the given number is less than the 1111 digits, means 1111 number have 4 digits, then the given number should have 3 digits or 2 digits or 1 digit. For example, if you take 2 digits, 88 is multiplied with 1111. Then here 4 digits are there, here 2 digits are there. Keep 2 zeros. Then keep 8 at right hand side. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry forward. 8 plus 8 plus 0, 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry forward. Again 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry forward. Next 8 plus 1. This is the answer. If we go with another example, 325 is multiplied with 1111. Keep 0 here. Keep 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 0, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry forward. Next 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, next 3. This is the answer. Next, multiplication of any number by 5. For example, if it is 126 is multiplied by 5. 5 can be written as 10 by 2. This can be written as 126 into 10 by 2. Means half of the given value by 2, half of the given value multiplied with 10. Whatever the given value is there, you have to half of it, then multiply it with 10. So 126, half of it, that is 63. So into 10, 630. If you go with another example, 1960 multiplied with 5, half of it 840, sorry, 980, that is 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 980 into 10, 9800. If you go with another example, 3600 multiplied with 5. So this will become 1800, half of it 1800. So into 10, 18,000. If you go with another example, 1964 is multiplied with 5. Then half of 1964, 982 into 10. So 982, keep 0. Next, multiplication of any number by 25. 25 can be written as 100 by 4. So for example, if we take first example, 192 is multiplied with 25. 100 by 4 means 10 by 2 into 10 by 2. Half of the given value 2 times means 192. What is the value? Half of it 96. Half of it 48. 48 multiplied with 100 means, if you go with detailed explanation, 192 into 100 by 4. So 192, half of it 96 by 2 into 100, it will be by 2 means this is the answer. If you go with second example, 1620 is multiplied with 25. Half of the value 810, again half of the value 405. 405, keep 2 zeros. If you go with another example, 1934 is multiplied with 25. Half of the value 9s are, 6s are, 7s are. So 967 is half of the value, again half of the value. This will become 483.5 multiplied with 100. This will become 48350. Next question. Multiplication of any number by 125. 125 can be written as 1000 by 8. Means 10 by 2, half of it, 10 by 2 and 10 by 2. 3 times you have to do half of the value. For example, if you take 124 is multiplied with 125. Half of 124, that is 62, again half of it 31, again half of it 15.5 into 1000, so 15,500 is the answer. 3 times you have to do half of the value. For example, if you take another one, 6,240 is multiplied with 125. Half of 6,240, 3120, again half of it, 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 6 are 0, again half of it 780, that is 780, keep 3 digits. If you go with another example, 1692 is multiplied with 125, half of the value 846, again half of it, again half of it, multiplied with 1000 means 211,500. This is the answer. So thank you for watching this video. For any queries, suggestions and for special classes, please contact me, that is Maisa Suresh. This is a WhatsApp number 9959440531 and 8074767845. You can contact to this number also. This is my mail ID, maisaacademy2020@gmail.com. Do subscribe and share. Thank you.